Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in to Johnson Bank mortgage account online. Johnson or Johnson Financial Group offers a variety of mortgage options including fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages with features like low down payments and assistance programs. To log into your Johnson Bank mortgage account, first of all, open a web browser. Inside the URL box, type in johnsonfinancialgroup.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website, go to the top right hand corner and click on the login button. Inside the login tab on the right hand side of the screen, to manage your mortgage account, you will need to log into your personal account for Johnson Financial Group. Go to the top of the screen and select your account type from the display. On the next field, type in your user ID and then your password. If you don't have an account yet with Johnson Financial Group, you can click on Enroll in My JFG. Follow through the on-screen instructions to get started with Johnson Financial Group. Once you enter your credentials correct, click on Login and you will then be able to sign into your Johnson Financial Group online account. After you are signed in, look for the mortgage option and then you will be able to manage and log into your Johnson Bank mortgage in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.